Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our third chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay students, so today we will discuss about that what is the plastics. Students, almost all of you know that plastic is also synthetic fibers, okay, and it is made by the human beings in industry. Okay, so but it is just like a synthetic fibers like nylon and what are that made by that polymers. It is made by polymers of smaller monomers, and it is combined with that monomers with in large number of monomers with a long chain or in a link chain like a linear chain. Okay, cross chain or linear chain. So let us start about what is that plastics. In our daily life we are using, and special we are saying that it is a plastic time. Yes or no? Whatever any things you have seen around you, you will observe that all the things are generally nowadays it has made by the plastics. But how it is made, what is the quality, what are the characteristics, and what is the effect to the environment, we have now we have no idea about this, so we have to get this idea. Okay students, so let us see what is the plastics. Now it is a synthetic fibers. Okay, it is made by the human beings, by the industry, and it is made of the polymers in which many monomers, small monomers units are arranged in linearly or cross linked manners. How like synthetic fibers are made by that monomers, many monomers, same like also plastic also are made by the also monomers. Okay, what are the characteristics students? They are easily moldable. Students, these plastics, what are the characteristics? Now the plastics can easily change its shape. So suppose we are making the toys, how the different shape of this, we are making chair, we are making the tables, we are making so many items nowadays we are using or depending upon the plastic. So it is very easy to change its shape. So we can, according to our wish, according to our desire, we can make it. Second, they can be melted, colored, recycled, reused, rolled into sheets and drawn into wires. This plastics also having students one character, very important character. It can be melted and it can change its shape, and reuse also can do. Reuse, that means once using, after plastic bottles nowadays they are collecting and they are melting, after again they are making same next another some other materials also, plastic bottle also. Okay, so reuse also can do, and also this plastic also we can make it wire, plastic wire also we can make, plastic sheets also we can make. So different shape according to that also we can do, and different dye means different color, very interesting attractive color also we can do. Okay students, so whatever that objectives or whatever the materials we are getting made by the plastic is having the different colors. Okay, many colors are there. Okay, so it is also special characteristics about that. And students, you have idea about that plastics are generally divided into two categories or two types according to that to the reaction with the heat. Okay, there are reactions basis on their reaction to heat. How that if you give that little heat, then some plastics are it will melt, and some plastics it won't be melt. For that it will be, there are two types of plastics according to the reaction or the melt to the heat. Okay, so there one is thermoplastics or thermoplast we can say. Second one is thermosetting plastics or thermosets. Two types of plastics are there. One is thermoplastics or thermosets, thermosetting plastics or thermosets. There are two types of plastics. Okay, so first of all we have to discuss about that students. What is the thermoplastics or thermoplasts? Thermoplasts. So thermoplast, what is that? The thermoplastics means, or thermoplast means the plastics which are melted or become soft on heating and harden when it is cooled. Students, if we will give the heat to that plastics, then what will become? It will be melt. It will be melted. Okay, and when it will become cool, then it will become hardened, means it will become strong. That plastics are called as a thermoplastics or thermoplasts. Thermoplastics or thermoplast. Thermo means what? Heat. It will give the heat. Thermo means heat. Thermo plus plastics. Thermo means heat. If you will give the plastics, then it is molded. That means melted. Okay, it is melted and you can make it in different shapes. Okay, but whenever it will become cool, melting after it will become cool again, then it will become strong. That means it will become hardened. Such plastics are called thermoplastics or thermoplasts. Examples: polythene, PVC. What is the polythene? Already you have know that, friends. Carry bags, like you are going to vegetables, we are buying vegetables or any grocery items, we are putting that water. Polythenes nowadays, the government ban that polythene. Don't use that polythene because it is making that water environment pollution. Because the polythene cannot be, that is non-biodegradable, means it cannot be decomposed by the bacteria. It will stay for 10 millions. That means thousand years in the earth. Whenever you are using after, you are throwing the dustbin, that polythene are stucking in the surface of the earth, and whenever the large number of polythenes are stored in that place, the water or cannot be entered to that and cannot store. So in the future times it will make the problems. That's why nowadays the government declare and ban the polythene. Okay, friends. So PVC, another one example also PVC. You have seen that PVC plastic. That what is the, students, PVC full form? PVC means polyvinyl chloride. Students, write down that PVC full form also, friends. Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride is the PVC. That means this is another one types of PVC pipe also we are saying, or PVC other materials also PVC it is made. So that is called as also poly, that is made by, that full form is polyvinyl chloride. It is used for the making bags, toys, etc. Friends, I told that polythene bags we are using, carry bags like we are using, toys, different toys also we are using by this thermoplastics. Okay, or thermoplast with such plastics we are using. Okay. Second one is, friends, thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting plastics means what? Now that means the plastics which once making after we cannot made again. That means once molded once cannot be softened on heating. If you give soft heat, it can't be soft. Okay. Thermoplastic can give heat and it can make it softer, but unmelted. But these are thermosetting plastics. How much heat will give also? Just iron rod, like iron can be melted, but plastics cannot be melted. For examples, what is that? It will give that heat. But what is that examples? Bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is one of the thermosetting plastics, and which one we are using for that? Our switch boards. Okay, in electric appliances we are using which one? This is bakelite, electrical switch board or handle of the utensils. Utensils and handle also we are using because heat cannot be transferred and also it cannot be melted also. And in electric appliance also, like switches and some other things also we are using because it cannot be melted and it is also not bad conductor of the electricity and heat. See, students, here given uses bakelite and melamine. Bakelite is an insulator and used for making electrical switches, handles of utensils. This is bakelite we are using for utensil, our house cooking, that kitchen we are using that utensils, that handle purposes also we are using that bakelite. And also electric switch board also, electric switches also we are using by the bakelite. Melamine has a higher resistance and it is made for the floor tiles, kitchen ware and etc. And this is another one type of thermosetting plastics which one we are using for the floor, means floor tiles purposes also we are using, and also kitchenware also we are using. I hope you have understood about the plastics and what are the types of plastics, about the thermosetting plastics and thermoplast plastics. Next we will discuss about that what are the other applications in this. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.